Hi everyone, good morning. Today I would like to share my first experience on basic animation creation. First of all, we need to install OpenToonz. OpenToonz is a free 3D animation software. It can be downloaded freely from internet. Installation is very easy and so the creation of 2D animation is very simple. Now let's start with the most simplest Wolkenstein stickman. First of all, double-click on the OpenToonz icon on the desktop. Start a dialog box appears. Type a project name. Press the Create Scene button. Now we are in the basic editor. I would like to draw a stickman. I first left click on geometric tool. Size equals 1 is already set. Circle is chosen in the shape menu. Draw a circle on the scene editor. Left click on the column 2 of frames on the right side. Again select line in the shape menu. Then draw a line to represent the body. Again left click on column 3. Draw left end. Other body parts are also drawn in the same way. After that, left click on the column 1 on frames. Left click on the animate tool on the left side of the editor. Then choose the center menu. Now we can move the center point to anywhere we want. But the center point should be the center of rotation of an object. So it is moved to the joint of the circle and the body line. The centers of all other body parts are also moved to their respective joints. Now it is time to set animation keyframes. Select column 1 and then press the key symbol below the editor panel. The alternative way to set the keyframe is first right click on the frame 1, the column you want, frame 1 of the column you want, and then click the set key menu. All of the other columns are also set as keyframes. Then click on the animation tab. Stitch schematic will appear at the bottom right. Each block represents a symbol drawing part. Just left click on it and we can freely move. All blocks are needed to reconstruct according to their joins. After that, we will create image frames. Left click on the column 1 and hold down the shift key and left click on the column 10. Then release the shift key and press and drag small button below the column 10 until we reach the frame number 24. Now we can release the left mouse button. Now we can see all the frame slots. Frame number 1 to 24 are selected. Again, please select on the frame number 6 of column 1. Click the animation tool on the left side. Select the rotation tool. Then we can rotate the head circle. All other body parts are also rotated to their new styles. Similar settings are made at frame number 12, 18, and 24. Finally, our animated statement is done. Press on the play button and see our animation. Then press on the first render to MP4 video. Our animation video is ready and we can see our animation in a separate video player. Please like, share and comment. Thank you for your watching.